In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a unique ID to a board in Monday.com. This process is straightforward, and within just a few minutes, you'll be able to navigate through this setup effortlessly. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to Monday.com, open up your preferred web browser, and navigate to their main website. Once you're there, the next step is to click on the Login button. This will allow you to access your account. You'll see this option prominently on the homepage, so go ahead and click that to proceed. Now, you'll have the option to log in using different methods, but for ease and simplicity, it's a great idea to use your Google account, provided it's already linked. Simply click on the Google option and select your account from the list. If you've not linked it before, you'll be prompted to enter your Google credentials, ensuring secure and quick access. After successfully logging in, you'll want to go directly to your specific board where you want to add that unique ID. This could be any board you're managing or have access to. You can use the Boards menu to locate and open it easily. Once inside your selected board, the next thing you'll want to do is add a column to your table. This column will serve as the container for your unique ID, so it's an important step. You can usually find the option to add a column on the far right of your table. Look for a plus sign or similar icon. With a new column in place, it's time to give it a meaningful name. Go ahead and type in Item ID as the column name. Naming it clearly helps streamline your board and ensures everyone, including team members, understands its purpose at a glance. Now that your Item ID column is ready, click on it to make sure that it's selected and active. Doing this sets the groundwork for generating or inputting unique identifiers for each item on your board. At this point, you can choose to manually enter unique IDs or use any integrated tools that generate IDs for you automatically, depending on your workflow preferences. And there you have it. You've successfully added a unique ID column to your board in Monday.com. This enhancement not only helps in managing board items efficiently, but also significantly aids in tracking, referencing, and organizing your data seamlessly. That's all for today's walkthrough. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.